Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Mautic. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically add a contact in Mautic. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and Mautic is a marketing automation software. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Mautic. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and Mautic. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Mautic. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give this as a PayKickstart to Mautic. PayKickstart to Mautic. Excellent. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart, because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. That is why. In the trigger event, how about we make it as transaction sales, this one. Now transaction sales is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger event is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new transaction sales happen, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like subscription trial expiring, subscription updated, fulfillment returned, and so on. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a transaction sales happens in PayKickstart. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart. Okay, so this is the account of PayKickstart, and to begin the integration, just click on campaigns. Okay, so we have to select a product that we want to integrate with. So in case I'm interested in this product, t-shirt, and I'm just going to click on this edit part. Okay, so this is the edit page. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and here you will find the IPN URL. So just click on add. Okay, so in this blank we have to fill in the webhook URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to find the webhook URL. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the IPN URL or the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, now in the set event, how about we make it as transaction sales? Okay, so we have entered our IPN URL and we have also set the event as transaction sales. Scroll up and at the top you will find save. Okay, so basically you have integrated this product to Pabbly Connect. This means Pabbly Connect will capture any data from this product. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. As to ensure that it captures the data, let's click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we create a dummy sales in PayKickstart. So once more, let's go to campaigns. And in this product, I'm going to click on the checkout link. So this is the checkout link. I'm basically copying this and just pasting this in a new tab. Okay, so this has opened the new tab. Okay, so I'm just proceeding with my order. Okay, so now we are going to fill in the details. So the details is Elon, and the last name is Musketeer. Okay, so Gmail is SpaceX, email is SpaceX, and Tesla. Okay, at the rate gmail.com. And Elon is from Iceland, and we are going to fill in some details like okay, so these are the details. The province is this. Okay, so we have filled in the details. Excellent. Just click on next step and complete the purchase. Okay, so a dummy customer called as Elon Musketeer has made a purchase of 149 rupees. Now, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with PayKickstart, let's see Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and see. Let's see. Okay, so it is waiting for the webhook response, waiting for the data. So give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so it is showing the data has been captured. Excellent. So this is the billing address of Elon Musketeer, and this is the address city. This is the city, that is Paris, the country, the state Madhya Pradesh, and this is the buyer email, that is Elon Musk email, SpaceX and Tesla. The first name is Elon and the last name is Musketeer. Okay, excellent. So now we have to create a contact in Mautic. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. Now this window is called as the action window. So in the choose app, let's make it as Mautic. Okay. Now in the action event, we just have to create or update a contact. Now there is of course only one action event, create or update a contact. However, in case if you want more action event of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. Okay, so just click on connect with Mautic. Now in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: Mautic username, Mautic password, and the base URL. So first of all, we will start with the base URL. So already we know what is your username and the password. Okay, so we will start with the base URL. So to get the base URL, let's go to our Mautic account. So this is my Mautic account, and just going to this gear sign and clicking on configuration. Okay, so basically this is my URL. I'm simply just pasting this here. Okay, now Mautic username, and this is my username and this is my password. Okay, so I have entered my password, I have entered my username and given the base URL. So just click on save. So when you click on save, a set of blanks appears in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a contact or update a contact from the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. So before we map in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the last active date, we don't have to fill in anything. In the points, as we know, PayKickstart doesn't give any points. And similarly with the title, there is no data about the title in PayKickstart. So how about we start with the first name? So the name is Elon. Then we have the last name. Okay, so that is a Musketeer. So we have mapped it. Then we have the email. Okay, this is the email. We don't have any details of the primary company or the position, so we are leaving it as blank. Then we have the phone number. Okay, so the mobile number and the phone number are same, so just going to ignore this. Address line 1, address line 2. Okay, so city, do we have to add the city? Okay, city is Paris. State, let's ignore. Country, zip code, we can actually add the zip code. Okay, so basically we have entered all the necessary details. Okay, so scroll down, and as you may know this, PayKickstart doesn't really give the data related to Facebook's, Foursquare, Google Plus, or Instagram, so we are just leaving it as blank. So just click on save and send this request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Mautic. So let's see whether we have a contact called as Elon Musketeer. Yes, we have a contact called as Elon Musketeer. Okay, excellent. There is something else you should know. You should always ensure that in settings that your API should be on. Okay, for example, Okay, let me go to configuration and okay, here in API settings, the API should always be enabled. Okay, so this is something I have forgotten to tell you. So always remember the API should have been always should be enabled. Okay, so we have got the response, and let's see in contacts we have the name as Elon Musketeer. This is the email and the location. Excellent. So the presence of this contact in Mautic shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart to Mautic with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check the integration is working fine or not? So before that, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me minimize my action window and scroll up, and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Mautic. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Mautic. Excellent. So how about we go to PayKickstart and make one more dummy transaction sale. So I'm opening this checkout page in a new tab. Okay. So okay, so this time the name is how about we go with Bill Gates, not Bill Gates, Bill Window. No, Bill Burry. Okay, Bill Burry and Windows 1234 at the rate gmail.com. Something random. Oh, I'm sorry, extra character. Just click on next step. So Bill Burry is from Georgia, and we are just changing some details here. Now let's change it to Georgia. Okay, Georgia. The province is okay, some random province that I can't even pronounce. And then we have 9131323917. That is the phone number. Okay, so click on next step and complete purchase. Okay, so a purchase has been made by this guy called as Bill Burry. So let's see in the context whether we have a person called as Bill Burry. So I'm just going to refresh this. Yes, we have a contact called as Bill Burry. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a sale happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a contact in Mautic.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.